Hey, what is up, guys? It is me, Jesus, and I'm back recording a new video. And today, this video, I wanted to show you guys how I record my videos that I post on my YouTube channel here. I wanted to show you guys how to download OBS and how to get started and everything like that. So, other than that, let's just carry on and let's do this thing. All right, guys, we're gonna go hop onto the website OBS. Just search up OBS and I'm pretty sure that'll be fine. Yeah, the first link, obsproject.com. Alright, and when you're on this page, just click one of these three, depending on what type of computer or laptop you have. For me, it's Windows, so I'd click this. And oh crap, I accidentally downloaded it. And I already downloaded it, but yeah, you just click that and no download, and I'm guessing you would just open. Yeah, see, and then you would click yes, and then OBS would be downloaded like that. Alright guys, since I already have OBS downloaded, I just wanted to show you, this is how it would look like when you get it. You know, I already have it set up for everything. This is my display capture. This is literally nothing. This is my other monitor, which I'm recording on. When I just record videos, I put in my other monitor over here. I click the record button and I just record videos. And then I have for my other desktop audio is coming from this one you're looking at, this monitor you're looking at right now. And desktop 2 is the other monitor I have over here. I have that on mute because I don't want anything, like any sound from that monitor coming over here to this one. And then I have my mic, which I'm recording with right now. And those are all the three audio mixers I have right now. Alright, let's go into settings. Alright, these are the settings I have. You can just go ahead and like copy it if you want, like whatever you want. Alright, that's my journal. I don't stream on here, so I don't have anything usually. And then you just get your stream key from your YouTube channel or your Twitch, whatever you're recording on, like whatever you're streaming on, my bad. And then I have these settings on here. If you want, you could change it to MKV, but you would have to change you'd have to enable the other one so it comes out as MP4, and I don't want that because it's two separate videos and I'm like, I don't really care. Alright, my audio, it's like this, just copy it if you want. Alright, my video, these settings, 60 frames. Alright, these are like the hotkeys I have. So when I want to start recording, I press the page up on my keyboard. And when I want to stop, I press pause on my keyboard. And then switching monitors, I press F1, F2. Those are all the hotkeys I have in there. Oh look, this is where it is for like, if you want to change this to MKV, just go to advanced and then automatically remix to MP4, record as MKV. And then what it does when you're in MKV, like if the software ever crashes and stuff, the recording won't be lost. So it's a good thing to have. And yeah, these are the stuff I have here. You can just copy everything you like. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of recording from here and like some Rocket League, I guess, and we'll be back. Alright guys, this is recording from the settings and everything I have on my OBS studio. Right now we're playing some Rocket League. Alright, we'll just play a quick game. Excuse me, I'm not that good. Get shot on, you dumb boy, you dummy stupid. It wasn't. It wasn't even a good shot, but okay. Yo. Bro, I'm going against the phase. Bro. He barely hit that. No, they're gonna okay. No, I missed. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. No, pinch, bro. No, they're gonna score, bro. Well, that was enough of that. You already know. You get the jizz. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see like other videos that I have on my channel, I have like gaming videos and stuff like that. And I might have like more stuff like this. I don't know. I'll see how this video goes. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see, anything, share this video, you know what I'm saying? And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.